This is Dave. He's looking for a fun educational app to share with his daughter. But the more he searches, the more discouraged he becomes. Low-quality apps, annoying ads, expensive in-app purchases, it's not a pretty sight. Then Dave has an idea. Why not make an educational app myself? I can create the learning experience I want for my daughter, and I can release it for free so kids around the world can start their education early. Dave and his team get to work. They create free apps for reading, learning the alphabet, shapes, math, and more. And every single one is released for free. Soon, Dave realizes they're making a difference. The apps are some of the most popular learning games on iPhone and Android, and they're downloaded over 1 million times each month. Kids in remote areas who lack proper educational materials can finally start learning. Dave and his team continue to create fun educational experiences, and they want to help even more children start learning. These apps do not make a profit. They will always be free. If parents continue to share with friends, family, and teachers, we can reach 5 million kids every month and make a real difference. If you help spread the word. Together, we can educate kids around the world.